In this video, I'm going to show you one SB promo code to use for accumulator bets. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're looking for one SB promo code to use for accumulator bet, this is what you should do. Once you are in this page, click on registration and choose the third option that says by email. That is the only option that is going to allow you to activate a bonus. The other options, they don't work. To choose by email, fill in your surname and your name. Then choose a country from wherever you are from and then add a date of birth and an email address. Choose your currency to what you want and then fill in the password. To create a password, use these 4 digits. Once you're done creating the password, you're going to come down to the promo code box and use the promo code LeoTV. If you use promo code LeoTV, one expert is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $200 as bonus. Once that is done, hit the 3 boxes and register. After registration, complete your first deposit immediately so you're going to receive your bonus and you can start betting on it.